Alright, so today we're going to talk about one of your activities for day one, possessive nouns. This is a new thing we haven't really talked about in class, but most of you might be able to get it. So the directions say a possessive noun shows ownership. Add apostrophe s to make a singular noun show ownership. Add an apostrophe, that's just a flying little comma up there, after the s of a plural noun to show ownership. So that's what it is. Now your directions. Underline the possessive noun in each sentence. Write an S on the line if the possessive noun is singular. Write P if the possessive noun is plural. So first we need to find the possessive noun. And we're looking for if it either has this apostrophe S or if it just has the apostrophe. So that's kind of like your tip. So now, number one, Anna's family took a walk in the woods. So I'm looking for either apostrophe S or apostrophe. And here, I see that there is this apostrophe S, so I'm going to underline the possessive noun. Now I need to write S if it's singular or P if it's plural. So now this tells me that the apostrophe S, which is what this is, apostrophe S singular. So I write an S. I'll also show you a plural example here. Birds. They saw two birds' nests high up in a tree. So you can see birds and then the apostrophe. That tells us that it's going to be plural. So you get to do the other 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, on part 2, it says complete each sentence with the singular possessive form of the noun in parentheses. So, singular possessive. When we're doing singular, we need the apostrophe S. So, Jim wanted to play basketball at house. And we're talking about Carol. So we do Carol, we copy the noun, and then we need to make it singular possessive. So we write the apostrophe S at Carol's house. So you're going to want to do that with all the other ones. You're going to want to make them possessive. So you're just going to add an apostrophe and an S because they are singular. Basically meaning that they do not end with an S. So this one ends with an L. Oops. This one ends with an M, an R, a D, and a G. So that's why we add apostrophe S to all of them. If you pay attention to birds up here, birds already ends with an S. So it's plural, so that's why there's just the apostrophe. No S after the apostrophe. It already has it before. Those are possessive nouns.